you've just seen the winemaker's minute for your barrel that was racked, and now I hear you ask, well, what happens to the lees that's sitting in the bottom of the barrel? Well, we'd like to introduce you to Bruce, which is our brand new barrel washer. We turn the barrel upside down, we drain the lees out of the bottom, and we actually take that and put it into a separate container. That's taken away for recycling, which is a lovely way to do it. Then, once we turn the barrel upside down, you'll rotate it out, and we've got these lovely barrels with a clear head. They're not normally like this, of course. You've seen your wooden barrels, but this gives you a really good overview of what this machine will really do. And so what we do is we grab Connor, who's our barrel guru, and he'll get round the other side and we'll get this thing rolling for you. So the reason that we use this marvellous machine is that, as you can imagine, the inside of a barrel is pretty hard to sterilise, it's pretty hard to keep clean. All the small pores inside are fantastic sites for bacteria and all the bad bugs that we really don't want. So a machine like this will wash 2 barrels at once, and through the process it actually cleans around the bunghole first, and then the head will move further into the barrel and clean the bottom, and it actually gets into these crevices, because this is the hard part. Actually, right in here on the other side of the glass, this chime is the really hard part to get clean. And this head's designed to get right in there and clean the barrel totally. These are relatively, and because we've got the nice new demonstration head on them, they're actually a fairly clean barrel. But when you're actually using it with a barrel that's just been racked, and the lees gets washed out, you see the amount of tartrate and the amount of dead yeast cells and bacteria that we remove with this particular sort of machine. It's pretty total. Once we've done the pressure washing, and the pressure washing can be cold or hot water, and then after that we can also follow it with an ozone rinse afterwards. So it basically sanitises the inside of the barrel without leaching too much new oak away, and it works very, very well. It saves us a huge amount of time. It's a lot easier, particularly for Connor, who's got to put the old barrel washer in, wait 5 minutes for it to wash, and then move it on to the next barrel. So the great thing is, while this is washing, he can be doing something else.